SBC Media.
Welcome to iGaming Daily, analysing the news from the betting and gaming industry all over the globe. Supported by SBC Summit Barcelona, the industry-leading conference bringing you the future of sports betting and iGaming.
SBC Summit Barcelona is where you can experience the global industry coverage under one roof. Expect an industry-leading conference agenda covering all verticals across 7 stages, a huge trade show floor filled with over 3,000 exhibitors, and luxury networking events at premium venues in one of Europe's coolest cities. Join 10,000 executives this September at the event drawing the industry's eyes. Get your tickets now at sbcevents.com.
Thursday's episode of iGaming Daily, sponsored by SBC Summit Barcelona, will see us ride a wave of innovations and discover the latest payment trends in iGaming. At the recent CasinoBeats Summit in Malta, Nikola Tchakarov, head of market expansions at Node, participated in a keynote session exploring significant changes in open banking and iGaming, whilst providing real-life examples, industry insights, and strategies to navigate this dynamic landscape. This is what he had to say.
My name is Nikola Tchakarov, and I'm a seasoned payments and marketing professional in the industry. I currently serve as the head of market expansion at Noda, leading a fintech company, leading a team of BDMs, account managers, and product developers. I have a strong track record delivering measurable results and driving growth for our customers. Before my current role, I held the senior sales position at a top-tier digital agency. I worked with clients across various industries, including iGaming, of course, and travel, e-commerce, retail, and etc. I'm also a public speaker and have presented at various industries on the topics of payments and digital marketing. So the point of this presentation is to present to you what open banking is. Imagine a world where you have complete control over your financial data and can securely share it with any institution or service provider you want. That's basically the promise of open banking. It's a revolutionary concept transforming the financial industry. Today we'll explore what open banking is, how it works, and what it means for you and your financial future. By the end of the presentation, you understand how open banking is working, revolutionizing the financial industry. We'll explore the latest developments in open banking within iGaming, including emerging trends and best practices, and look at real examples of how companies leverage this technology to improve their services and better meet the needs of their customers. We'll also examine the potential benefits and challenges of open banking and provide insights of how your organization can best prepare for this exciting new year in finance. But what about iGaming? iGaming, encompassing online gambling and gaming, has experienced exponential growth over the past few years. Now, one of the main reasons for this is the adoption of smartphones and ever faster mobile internet, which has led to the rise of mobile gaming, allowing players to enjoy more gaming experiences and, of course, increased revenue for the operators. iGaming platforms are embracing cryptocurrencies as a means of payment, offering faster transactions, enhanced security, and increased anonymity for their players, providing an alternative to traditional banking services. With all these developments, open banking plays a significant role from a fintech perspective. Now, open banking is a relatively new concept that uses APIs to enable third-party providers to develop and build applications and services that access financial data that's usually held only by banks and other financial institutions. By allowing customers to share their financial data securely with third-party providers, open banking aims to foster innovation, increase competition, and better customer experiences in the financial industry. Open banking was first introduced in the EU through the revised Payment Services Directive, PSD2, in 2018, which mandated banks to open their APIs to third-party providers. Since then, the concept has gained momentum and has been adopted in Europe, Australia, Canada, and Latin America. Furthermore, open banking has become a global trend and is expected to be implemented by more countries. Open banking is a promising development to the iGaming industry, constantly seeking to improve customer experience and stay ahead of the curve of innovation and technology. As open banking continues to gain traction globally, we will likely see more and more iGaming operators adopting the technology to offer their customers a more seamless and secure payment experience. Now, why is it so important? It's essential for several reasons, and it's relevant to the wide range of audiences, including operators, platform providers, policymakers, and of course, consumers. Firstly, open banking is a significant development in the financial industry that transforms how the financial institutions operate and interact with their customers. By opening up access to their financial data, open banking enables new products and services to provide customers with greater convenience, cost effectiveness, and of course, personalization. Secondly, open banking is driving innovation and competition in the financial industry, which can result, of course, in more favorable terms and pricing for consumers. It also creates opportunities for new entrants to the market, such as fintech startups, such as we a couple of years ago, to challenge the traditional banks and financial institutions. Thirdly, open banking has essential privacy, security, and protection implications. As financial data becomes more open and accessible, institutions and policymakers ensure that appropriate safeguards are in place to protect consumer data and privacy. So, open banking is not only about payments. It's actually much more about that. That's the reason we look at ourselves here. We're a fintech company, but we're actually more a tech company. The main reason behind that is that open banking can enable aggregating financial data for multiple sources. And I believe that's the main value open banking has to offer. It facilitates personalized recommendation, budgeting tools, and financial management solutions that empower individuals and, of course, companies to make informed decisions. Its APIs enable secure and seamless transactions for iGaming platforms, eliminating the need for traditional payment methods. Additionally, open banking's KYC capabilities enhance user verification, strengthening anti-money laundering and fraud prevention measures. Keeping this in mind, we from Node are constantly developing our tech side of the product, offering our clients tons of quantitative and qualitative information to be used in their decision-making processes. We have more than 200 merchants, but we decided just to put our best friends, so to say. One of the great perks that we offer in Node is called Node Go. This is something that only we offer currently, and I think for a while. What this is it provides numerous customer data points. This information is further used in various marketing strategies and customer retention techniques. This has also proven to be an invaluable partner and an invaluable asset to our partners when evaluating their VIP clients. Not only this, but we are also able to automate and actually really automate the KYC process using those very data entry points. Along with Node Go, we can provide built-in analytics for all payments without the insane bureaucracy which usually is associated with those docs. Now, one of the main issues open banking has been facing in the past couple of years since its adoption is that not all banks are still offering SEPA Instant. However, we have actually tackled that issue. We have introduced trusted payments. What this is, it basically allows our clients to set limits and volumes to be pre-approved upon deposit, even before the money settles in their account. There is little to no risk. As with our open banking technology, we can actually see whether the account has the necessary funds to complete the transaction. And to date, there has been not a single case where the account was actually not funded. That's something also very cool for the iGaming industry, I believe. C2B segregated accounts. We can open up accounts for our customers within the iGaming, which has proven to be a great asset for our iGaming partners. Of course, we're also closing the payment cycle with payouts. So pay-ins, payouts, everything can be done through Noda. And maybe one of the greatest things which the technology has is no chargebacks. It's technically impossible to submit a chargeback via open banking technology. If the client wants to submit a chargeback, they simply have to go through the standard refund processes in place by the operators and platform providers. All of this with an acceptance rate starting from 80%. Sounds pretty unbelievable, but it's true, and that's what technology has to offer in 2023, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what it has to offer in 2024. Generally, that's it. In summary, open banking is a global trend transforming the financial industry and driving innovation and competition. It is enabling new products and services that provide greater convenience and cost effectiveness to enter the market. However, appropriate safeguards must be in place to protect consumer data and privacy. Open banking is expected to continue to grow globally, with more countries expected to implement open banking frameworks in the future.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of iGaming Daily, brought to you in conjunction with SBC Summit Barcelona, being held at the Fira Barcelona Montjuic on the 19th to the 21st of September. If you want to find out more about some of the subjects raised today, feel free to explore any of the sites in the SBC News Network, or check out the latest edition of the SBC Leaders magazine. Happy reading.